everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Today for tips, I want to show you how to clean your keyboard on a laptop or a regular keyboard. Both set of steps are pretty much the same. I just want you to be extra gentle and delicate with the laptop keyboard. So step number one is you want to turn off your keyboard. Now on mine, I have a switch back here. I can just flip it off. For the laptop, I want you to turn the entire laptop off. We don't want to accidentally do a key combo and mistakenly delete something or remove something. So step one, turn off the keyboard. The next thing you can do is flip it upside down and you can give it a little shake, a little tap, tap on the bottom, just to knock out those crumbs and extra dust. So the next thing you need is a lightly damp microfiber cloth. I say very lightly damp because you do not want your keyboard saturated in any way with moisture. So then you will go and do each key individually, going between each key, down the grooves, getting any smudges and all of the germs gone. Once you feel satisfied that you've gotten between each key, delicately, you will take another dry microfiber cloth and wipe away as well. Sparkly clean, ready for work. Hope you found that helpful, and I hope you have a great week. Bye.